If tantrums feel impossible to stop, this one breathing trick can change everything.
It's called the 4 to 7 8 method, and parents swear it works like magic.
Because when your child's breathing slows, the tantrum follows.
The trick isn't forcing them, it's guiding them.
Watch how a meltdown can shift in less than 20 seconds.
Step 1. YOU. Breathe first. Kids copy what they see.
Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds.
Hold that breath for 7 seconds.
Now exhale gently for 8 seconds. Your child will mirror your calm without you saying a word.
Even if they're crying, their breath begins to match yours.
This activates their parasympathetic system into nephin, the body's calm button.
In seconds, the meltdown loses power. Because calm isn't taught, it's transferred.
Tantrums fuel fast breathing. Slow breathing shuts them down.
The secret: it resets the toddler's overloaded brain.
Just get eye level, breathe slowly, and wait.
Most toddlers calm within 15 to 20 seconds of copying your breath.
It doesn't fix every tantrum, but it transfolds many.
Try the 4-7-8 trick once. You'll feel the shift instantly.
Relaxed shoulders are the first sign that the tantrum is losing strength.
Long exhales release tension from their tiny nervous system.
You don't need to speak, just guide with your own breath rhythm.
Toddlers copy calm just as fast as they copy chaos.
Because breath controls heart rate, and heart rate controls emotions.
Slower breath activates calm pathways instantly.
You don't need to pick them up. Just be close and breathe.
You'll notice their cries lower. Their body softens. Use your hand to show slow breathing. Toddlers understand movement.
The moment they copy you, the tantrum begins ending.
This reduces amygdala overload, the center of tantrums.
Breathe with me.
Their brain starts copying your emotional tone.
4 seconds in. Hold for 7.
And release for 8.
Together, this becomes a shared, calm routine.
Once calm, they feel safe again.
Nature mirrors this breathing, slow, steady, peaceful.
This tiny technique turns chaos into connection.
As emotions settle, their thinking brain turns back on.
The 4-7-8 rhythm switches the body from fight to rest. Touch during calm breathing builds safety signals.
Environment supports calm, but your breath leads it.
Slow, deep breaths tell the body, you're safe now.
In, hold, out. Stillness is a sign their nervous system is recalibrating. 4 to 7 to 8, breathing increases oxygen and lowers tension.
Connection helps the breath work even faster. Repeat the cycle until breathing becomes steady.
Copying is how toddlers regulate, through you.
Relaxed eyes are a sign the tantrum has faded.
Your calm rhythm teaches emotional regulation. Dimming stimuli helps the 4-7-8 method work faster.
When they feel your calm, they release their fear.
Breathing together builds emotional alignment.
This technique gently shifts their brain into calm mode.
A kind smile means their body is finally regulated.
Connection finishes what calm breathing starts.
When hands unclench, the nervous system is calming.
4 to 7 to 8, breathing naturally lowers heart rate.
The calmer you breathe, the faster they mirror you.
Watching is learning. Breathing is absorbing.
Deep breathing resets the body from the inside out.
Kids copy gestures, even before they copy breath.
This is emotional regulation in real time.
Tears stop when the brain feels safe again.
Slow breathing sends a message of safety. Show the rhythm with your hands if words don't work. Stillness is the body's sign of recovery.
Breathing leads to connection. Connection leads to calm.
A calm space supports calm breath.
This is when the brain shifts fully into peace mode.
Your long exhale teaches them how to release stress.
The brain loves rhythm, especially calming rhythms.
Children naturally mimic the calm energy around them.
That smile means their system is fully regulated.
Connection finishes what breathing starts.
A calm child begins with a calm parent. Once calm returns, gentle touch rebuilds security.
Their breath is now steady, and the body is balanced.
A comfort object helps maintain the calm you created.
Your calm facial expression becomes their anchor. Connection after a tantrum strengthens emotional bonding. This breathing technique rewires how their brain handles stress.
Hugs release oxytocin, sealing the calm you created.
After calm returns, offer a quiet activity to stabilize them.
Repeat the cycle anytime emotions feel too big.
The more familiar the rhythm, the faster they calm.
Safe spaces support healthy emotional resets.
When calm settles, the body falls naturally into rest.
This cycle becomes a lifelong emotional skill.
Calm play shows their nervous system is steady again.
Silence after breathing is powerful healing.
Relaxed eyes tell you balance has returned.
This tiny technique strengthens your bond every time.
Simple, gentle, science-backed, anytime, anywhere.
Calm breath creates a calmer childhood.
Try it today and watch the magic of calm unfold.